Are you tired of fad diets and endless confusion about what to eat? Most people think that breakfast either makes or breaks their weight loss goals. And they're right, because starting your day with the wrong foods can spike cravings, slow your metabolism, and pile on hidden calories. But imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, ready to conquer the day, knowing that your breakfast is not only delicious, but also keeps you full, builds lean muscle, and helps you stay under 400 calories. In today's video, we'll reveal 10 protein-packed meals that are not just nutritious, but also easy to prepare and fit perfectly into a 400-calorie diet. Whether you're short on time or new to the world of healthy eating, these recipes are your secret weapon for achieving your weight loss dreams. Get ready to discover the power of a perfect breakfast. Before we dive into our top 10 list, let's talk about why protein is such an essential part of your morning meal. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reduces cravings, and boosts your metabolism through a process known as the thermic effect of food. This means that your body burns more calories digesting and metabolizing protein than it does with carbs or fats. Studies show that people who start their day with a high-protein breakfast consume fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who opt for carb-heavy or sugary morning meals. By prioritizing protein at breakfast, you'll stay fuller for longer, curb cravings, and set the stage for a day of healthy eating habits. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far and find it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fantastic health and fitness tips. Now let's explore some delicious and nutritious breakfast options packed with protein and under 400 calories. Kickstart your day with this delightful Greek yogurt parfait. This creamy, refreshing, and gut-friendly delight is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a nutritional powerhouse. In fact, one serving of this parfait contains approximately 320 calories and an impressive 20 grams of protein. To make this heavenly concoction, simply lay a low-fat Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and chia seeds in a tall glass or bowl. Feel free to get creative with your berry selection. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries all add a burst of flavor and antioxidants. The chia seeds provide additional protein and fiber, keeping you fuller for longer. This parfait is not only a delicious and convenient breakfast option, but also a great snack for on the go. This fluffy and flavorful omelet is not only a visual delight, but also a nutritional powerhouse. With approximately 350 calories and 24 grams of protein per serving, it's the perfect choice for those looking to fuel their day with healthy ingredients. Now, here's how to create this culinary masterpiece. Heat a non-stick pan sprayed with olive oil and pour in the beaten egg whites. As the omelet begins to set, add chopped spinach and mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper to taste and roll up the omelet like a burrito. Top it off with salsa for a burst of freshness, and you have a satisfying and nutrient-dense breakfast ready to conquer your morning. Get ready to indulge in a tropical twist to your breakfast routine with this delightful cottage cheese and pineapple bowl. This refreshing and slightly tangy dish is not only visually appealing, but also packs a punch with approximately 300 calories and 22 grams of protein per serving. To create this vibrant masterpiece, start by adding a generous scoop of cottage cheese to a bowl. Then top it off with fresh chunks of pineapple. You can either use canned pineapple in its own juice or fresh pineapple for a sweeter taste. The combination of creamy cottage cheese and juicy pineapple is simply irresistible. For added flavor and texture, consider sprinkling some chopped nuts or coconut flakes on top. This bowl is not just a delicious way to start your day, but also a great source of protein and nutrients. Overnight oats with protein powder. These overnight oats made with protein powder are not only a time-saving marvel, but also a nutritional powerhouse. With approximately 370 calories and 25 grams of protein per serving, these oats will keep you full and satisfied all morning long. To make this enchanting dish, combine rolled oats, almond milk, protein powder, chia seeds, and a touch of vanilla extract in a jar or container. Stir well to ensure all the ingredients are evenly mixed and then refrigerate overnight. The result, a luscious and creamy oatmeal that's ready to enjoy in the morning. Top it off with fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey for added flavor, and you have a perfect breakfast to fuel your busy day. turkey and avocado wrap. This satisfying and nutritious meal is not only a crowd pleaser, but also a great way to stay on track with your weight loss goals. With approximately 360 calories and 26 grams of protein per serving, it's a balanced and delicious choice for breakfast. To create this culinary delight, spread avocado onto a whole wheat tortilla. Layer it with sliced turkey breast, tomato, lettuce, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Roll it up tightly, and you have a portable and nutritious breakfast ready to go. Whether you're heading to work or running errands, this wrap will keep you fueled and satisfied. Indulge in a taste of elegance with this smoked salmon on whole grain toast. This luxurious breakfast option is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a nutritional powerhouse with approximately 380 calories and 23 grams of protein per serving. To elevate your toast game, start by spreading low-fat cream cheese on a slice of whole grain bread. This combination of flavors is truly a symphony for your palate. This dish is not just a delicious way to start your day, but also a great source of protein and healthy fats. With approximately 300 calories and an impressive 28 grams of protein per serving, it's the perfect choice for those on the go. To blend up this nutritional powerhouse, combine whey protein, spinach, banana, and almond milk in a blender. If you prefer a thicker consistency, use frozen bananas. This smoothie is not only a delicious and convenient breakfast option, but also a great way to sneak in some extra protein. Tofu scrambled with veggies, this vegan-friendly breakfast dish is a colorful and nutritious delight. To create this flavorful scramble, crumble firm tofu into a vegan skillet, add chopped bell peppers, onions, and any other vegetables you desire. This dish is not only visually appealing, but also packed with protein and fiber. Quinoa and egg breakfast bowl. This hearty and wholesome breakfast bowl is a nutritional goldmine. With approximately 370 calories and 23 grams of protein per serving, it's a balanced and satisfying meal to fuel your active day. To assemble this nourishing bowl, start with a layer of cooked quinoa. Top it with a soft-boiled egg, roasted vegetables like broccoli, sweet potato, and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle some hot sauce or toasted sesame oil for added flavor. Peanut butter protein pancakes. Indulge in a stack of fluffy protein pancakes drizzled with peanut butter. These delectable treats are not only a breakfast game changer, but also a nutritional superhero with approximately 390 calories and 27 grams of protein per serving. To make these delightful pancakes, mix together oats, egg whites, protein powder, banana, and peanut butter in a bowl. Let the batter rest while you heat a non-stick pan sprayed with cooking spray. Flip the pancake, add a dollop of peanut butter, and continue cooking until golden brown. This protein-packed breakfast is not only delicious, but also a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth while staying on track with your weight loss goals. Practical tips for weight loss: aim to pick 2 or 3 of these breakfasts and rotate them through the week. This will help you avoid boredom and keep your taste buds guessing. Additionally, consider starting your day with a cup of black coffee or green tea. Not only do these beverages complement your meal, but they also offer their own metabolism-boosting benefits. Finally, don't forget the importance of tracking calories, even when you're focusing on protein intake. Use a food scale and measure out portions to ensure you're staying within your daily calorie target. By following these practical tips, you'll maximize your chances of success on your weight loss journey. Start incorporating these protein-packed breakfast ideas into your morning routine and watch as they transform your day. Fuel your body with the nutrition it needs to thrive and conquer your weight loss goals with ease. Remember, small changes like what you eat in the morning can lead to big transformations. So embrace the power of a perfect breakfast and get ready to unleash the best version of yourself.